guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make really simple frozen yogurt cups that are perfect for summer. They're easy to make, they're healthy, and your kids or you will love them. You can put a lot of fun flavors into them. We're going to do some fruit, and then we're also going to do one that kind of gives it like a Reese's flair. It's really a delightful snack for summer, and it is so easy. So we're starting with about 1 cup of a yogurt. You can pretty much use any yogurt, but I like to use a plain one and then add the flavors in. This way you're not getting all of that extra sugar from a flavored yogurt, and you can kind of do what you want. So I have 1 cup here, and I'm going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla to it. And then I like to use like an agave nectar instead of like a sugar, or you can pretty much use any sweetener that you want, but we're going to do about a tablespoon of that. The agave really sweetens it up and keeps it nice and healthy. And then that way, if you throw a little chocolate in there or something, it ain't that big of a deal. Those are the 2 simple ingredients for the yogurt base. And then you're going to just line up your mini muffin tray here and then pour the yogurt into each one. Now, we're not going to mix any of our toppings in right away, because in that way, out of 1 batch, you can get all different sorts of flavors. So this way we could do some blueberry, some strawberry, and then we could do some of those fun ones with the chocolate and the peanut butter, like I mentioned. So go ahead and just fill it up, make them all even, all throughout your tray. So once you have your tin full, it's just time to top it with some toppings. So I have strawberries, blueberries, and a peanut butter and chocolate chip mix here. And I'm gonna just do an even amount of each. But you're just gonna wanna make sure that you don't overdo it, but kind of press in whatever flavors you're adding in. So you don't want it just on top, but you just wanna kind of press it in there. The blueberries, everything's pretty kind of dense, so it kind of like sinks in there anyway. But just press it on in as you go. So we'll get our blueberry finished. And after you have them stuffed with your favorite ingredients, you're gonna put them in your freezer for about 2 hours. You'll know they're ready when they're nice and solid and ready to dig into. Once they're frozen up, just go ahead and enjoy them. They look so yummy, and honestly, they taste delicious. And you saw a few ingredients, limited sugar. It's honestly perfection. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.